Students, in the last chemistry video, I explained periodic table of elements. Around 118 elements were discovered till now, and then I given the name of those such kind of those elements. Right? Now we are going to introduce today the topic that is symbol and the rules to write the symbols. Symbol and rules to write the symbols that we use to learn today. Now, what is a symbol? Symbol is nothing but shorthand representation of name of an element. Shorthand representation of name of an element. The symbol can have either one or two letters in English. This concept of symbol was introduced by Berzelius. For example purpose, if you see symbol of hydrogen is H. Symbol of hydrogen is H. Hydrogen, the first letter we should write in the uppercase capital letter. And as well as symbol of boron starts with letter B, so we should write the letter B. Here third letter, that is the nothing but carbon, it starts with letter C, we should write in a capital letter. Nitrogen, capital N, we should write. Symbol of nitrogen is N. Why? Because the nitrogen starts with the letter N. It should be in uppercase. So, as per this, the rule must and should be usually the first letter of name of the element in English becomes a symbol. It always written as uppercase, that is higher case, capital letter. Hydrogen, H, but not small h. Oxygen, capital O, but not O. Fluorine, capital F, but not small f. Boron, B, but not small b. Now comes to the rule 2. What is the rule 2? If you consider symbol as that is helium. If you observe helium, HELIUM. If you write the first letter H, then there is a confusion is there between the hydrogen and helium. So for that, as in the case of alphabetical letter, second letter we considered as symbol. First letter and second letter. Here the first letter is capital H, second letter is E. So the symbol of helium is He. When compared to the aluminium, ALMINIUM, AL. So for that aluminium, AL. So actinium is there here, actinium is there. So both of them letter starts with A only. So for that second letter we consider, second letter is AL. Here the second letter is C. So for that aluminium, AL, actinium, AU. For example sake, if we consider one more example, barium, Ba, beryllium, Be, bromine, Br, barium, Ba, beryllium, Be, bromine, Br. Why? Because first letter in these all the cases is B. So for that it must and should be in the uppercase. Next element here, next letter is Ba. Here it is E. Here it is R. Means we selected those elements in the alphabetical order. Sometimes if the first letter of name of elements are same, then we should select the first and second letter of name of the elements as a symbol. The first letter of the symbol is always uppercase and the second letter is always lowercase. Then go to the third rule. The third rule is certain times Latin name of elements also considered as symbol. Certain times Latin name of the elements also considered as a symbol. Why? Because English generally came from the word Latin. So for that sake, if you observe in chemistry, we can observe more number of the Latin words. So for that compulsory we should know the symbol of Latin names. What are those symbol of those Latin names that we may see in this? That is, if you observe here, first sodium Na, thank you. Here, first sodium Na, that is nothing but Latin name of the sodium is natrium. Latin name of sodium is natrium. So NaTrium, Na we used. Then comes to here kalium, potassium. Latin name is kalium. So its symbol is K. Then come here iron, ferrum, Fe. Iron, ferrum, Fe. And come here copper, cuprum, Cu. Copper, cuprum, Cu. These are all many times we are going to utilize in different kinds of reactions. Tungsten, wolfram, W. Tungsten, wolfram, W. Silver, argentum, Ag. Gold, aurum, Au. Gold, aurum, Au. Next come to here mercury. Mercury is nothing but hydrogyrum. Hydrogyrum symbol is Hg. Then come here stannum. Stannum. Tin. Stannum Sn. Tin. Stannum Sn. Antimony. Antimony. Stibbium Sb. Antimony. Stibbium Sb. Lead. Plumbum Pb. Lead. Plumbum Pb. Bismuth Bi. Bismuth Bi. These are all various such kind of the Latin names that what we already used in different cases. So once again here we have a list of different kinds of the Latin names. These Latin names are playing a very important role in the case of reactions. We know that scientists did a great job while in the development of new kinds of elements. Nowadays, what the modern technology we are using in the case of chemistry, for example, say we are using petrol, that is nothing but a development of chemistry only. We are using different kinds of soaps, different kinds of shampoos, different kinds of the materials in our day-to-day life. For example, say all cosmetics, they are depending upon the development of the chemistry only. For such kind of the people, not only in science, means generally in the case of not only chemistry, even in the case of physics also, we are honoring different kinds of the scientists by allotting their names. For example, say if you consider element RF, an element is there that is called RF symbol. It is given on behalf of a scientist name that is called Rutherford. So on behalf of the scientist Rutherford name, the element is given as a symbol RF. The element name is Rutherfordium. Like that only. One more next element is there, curium. Curium, its symbol is C. The element symbol is allotted on behalf of the name of a scientist, that is Madame Curie and Pierre Curie. We know that Madame Curie and Pierre Curie did a lot of job while in the development of radioactivity. If the topic of radioactivity was not discovered, there is no treatment for cancer. So various uses are there in the case of that curium. Next element is fermium. Fermium, Fe, on be the scientist of the name Fermi. Next one more element is mendelevium, Md. Mendelevium, Md, on behalf of the scientist Mendeleev. Nowadays what we are using, modern periodic table of elements. Modern periodic table of elements, this is came from Mendeleev periodic table only. So on behalf of Mendeleev periodic table, we allotted the name of an element that is called as mendelevium. Here one more element is there. We already know Niels Bohr given a lot of work while in the development of a structure of atom and hydrogen nucleus. The hydrogen is placing a very important role nowadays. Why? Because it is one of the nearest future fuel is nothing but hydrogen. How the element of the hydrogen will work, what is the capacity of the nucleus of the hydrogen, this total structure was discovered by Sir scientist that is called Niels Bohr. So on behalf of the scientist Niels Bohr, we given the name of an element that is called seaborgium. So seaborgium symbol is Sb. It is named on behalf of the scientist that is Niels Bohr. If we observe, sometimes scientists are very familiar to their land. Generally, we are also very familiar to our land. Native country, we are all very familiar. For example, sake, like depending upon that only, some of the scientists given their country names. If you observe here, the symbol PO. PO symbol indicates Poland. Means on behalf of their mother country, the name is allotted like that. PO stands for polonium on behalf of the land Poland. Poland is a native country of Madame Curie and Pierre Curie. So after the discovery of the polonium, they given the name of the element as polonium. Comes to here LV, livermorium. Name of the element is livermorium. It is the name is allotted on behalf of the country that is Liverpool. Liverpool is located in USA. One more example we can see EU. EU stands for Europium. Europium on behalf of the state or on behalf of the continent that is nothing but Europe. Here one more example, Holomium, HO, on behalf of the motherland that is Holland. Here one more element is there, CF, Californium, on behalf of the area that is called California. It located in USA. That means here one rule is introduced, that is sometimes the symbol can be written based on the country name or otherwise place name where it is discovered. Polonium, PO, it is discovered in Poland. Livermorium, LV, it is discovered in Liverpool, USA. Polonium, HO, it is discovered in Holland. Europium, EU, Europe, it is discovered in Europe. Californium, CF, it in the area of California, USA. Right? Here various kinds of the names or otherwise symbols are given. In the case of rule 1, generally the first letter is considered as the symbol. In the case of rule 2, first and second letters are considered as symbols. The first letter must and should be in uppercase, next letter must and should be in lowercase. In the next one is their Latin names. Next one is depending upon the name of a scientist. The next one is depending upon the country name or otherwise place name where it is discovered. Now let us discuss what is the need of the symbols. What is the need of the symbols? We can identify the element easily. For example, say the symbol H you wrote, that indicates element hydrogen. Ar, argon. He, helium. O, oxygen. Like that we can identify the element easily. Next, to communicate without confusion. To communicate without confusion. Next, to write the formula of the element in a shorthand. For example, say water. Its chemical name of water is dihydrogen monoxide. Dihydrogen monoxide. Without pronunciation in that particular manner, if you use the shorthand form H2O, it becomes easy for the pronunciation purpose. So we are utilizing the symbols in that manner. Monohydro, monochloric acid. Simply it is HCl. So we are, by using the symbols we can understand easily. To pronounce easily, to process the data easily, to write the chemical equations easily, we can represent 1 mole of atoms easily. It represents the definite mass of the element. We can represent the definite mass of the element. So there are different kinds of the needs of the symbols are there. So in this module, finally what we concluded is we come to know how to write the symbol name and what are the needs of the symbols.